Why are you always tired? Discover what's draining your energy. Do you feel constantly exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Do you wake up without energy, struggle to stay focused, and feel completely drained by midday? Worse, not even coffee or energy drinks seem to work like they used to. This might not just be a bad day. Your body could be begging for help. The secret to your energy lies within every cell in your body. Mitochondria, the true powerhouses of your system, are responsible for converting nutrients into fuel. But over time, stress, poor diet, and environmental toxins wear them down, reducing their ability to produce energy. The result? Chronic fatigue, brain fog, difficulty exercising, and a constant feeling of exhaustion. But what if there was a natural way to reverse this? Researchers have found that certain nutrients can restore mitochondrial health and bring back your natural energy. Coenzyme Q10, magnesium, and B vitamins are essential in this process, helping your cells produce energy efficiently without relying on artificial stimulants. Now, imagine waking up, refreshed, energized to take on the day without needing coffee or energy drinks. Picture yourself working out with ease, staying focused on any task, and truly feeling good. That's exactly what Advanced Mitochondrial Formula can do for you. A powerful combination of essential nutrients designed to reactivate your mitochondria and restore your natural energy levels. Stop just surviving. Start living with more energy and vitality. Click the link in the description to transform your energy, health, and quality of life today.